if you're a chef and you like fresh ground salt and fresh ground pepper, this is something you're going to love. Okay, it's a gravity electric grinder set. Gravity, what does that mean? Well, anyway, I'll show you. But I want to thank the manufacturer for sending this to me. I'm excited about it. So, we take the thing, get it out of the box. It's packed really well. There's a charging cable inside the part that takes the spices. You put this on. I charged these up, and then there's a switch, turn it on or off. And there was a little rubber plastic piece in here I had to pull out from manufacturing. So now it's on, and when you turn it upside down, a light comes on and it grinds. Then you go back up. So in your daily use, you can leave it on. If you're going to store it in the closet while you move or something, you can turn it to off. But anyway, USB charge, a light on it. There's two of them for both salt and pepper or garlic or spices or whatever. Super excited about these. These are going to be really neat. Came with two plugs, so you can charge them up each independently. I did charge them for a day. I just put them on and charged them up. So kind of excited about that. I'm going to put some salt in them and show you how it works. You can see I have peppercorns in this one, and there's an adjustable coarse to fine on this, and I'm going to put it in the middle and grind it. That is awesome. It's working. Now I've got some pink Himalayan salt on this one. I think we'll turn it all the way to fine, let it grind. But you just turn it upside down. It's definitely grinding in a fine manner. Turn it up to coarse and see how it works. Wow. Nice and strong. Seems to be holding up. I'm excited about it. You can see the salt pepper mix I have ready to go. Gotten some pepper on fine. That's actually pretty cool. Gravity, start, they grind, multiple settings on it, USB charge. I'm excited about these. Once again, I want to thank the manufacturer for sending them to me.